Members of the Meghalaya State Olympics Association, at a press conference held on the 22nd of April, had announced the schedule for the Meghalaya Games 2022. Speaking to media persons, the president of the association, John F. KHARSHIING, informed that the 4th Meghalaya Games is scheduled from 3rd to 6th May 2022. On behalf of the association, KHARSHIING expressed his gratitude to the Chief Minister of the state, CONRAD SANGMA, and Sports Minister BANTEIDOR LYNGDOH for their joint decision in making the Meghalaya Games an annual event. The president of the MSOA further informed that while there were only 4 disciplines at the first Meghalaya Games in 2001, the upcoming event will have 19 disciplines wherein sportspersons from all districts of the state can participate. The support of the state government to the games will definitely improve and change the state's sports scenario, added the president of the MSOA.
Ka first Meghalaya Games kal along how arjari way nado arpulaiterik ado arpopratrik April arjari way tendengim padio kidiko skat nutuli disiplin kilong hakta kapor ngide ya saman wat kita ki information ka second Meghalaya Games ka baar ka long how archa saw nado nyutrik December hado hatra December house nam arjar saw but hantu kilong khandai tuli disiplin sport discipline Teka Meghalaya Games kebalai kedai kebalami mo ni hab ai kumlei biang ik sarkar CONRAD ke SANGMA Chief Minister about Sports Minister kibala menjur ya kajing tepat Nagaland MSOA ban pen KM ya ka Meghalaya Games kebala di penolong mangka Arsenal ba kanlong biang hadin khat nrus how to snam arja khandai arpo bangi pelong ya third Meghalaya Games ka Meghalaya Games kebalai Tempat kadiga Meghalaya Games ke basau di haka Meghalaya Games ke balai hakandai arpo ni pelong khat sau tu ligi disiplin di kalong ke basutrat baki Asian kila shim ikjikit kli wan syakmat ni pencelur ki Asian bat mentaki bi adu hakandai ke balong i chairman juga publicity committee di ngiso wana ai kerpa mo kadiga karaj sarkar ka kapan sa pentela ya durjung sports aka jalajuni nalor kata bangi ala ban ni PUE baka ka jupakre stadium kilaya sha dengan sobat ong karpa ya berok ki ngahap ai kublei ki kimek pa ki bola sha ki kun samla juki ban rung shakamat shaka jileka namar ni UI menta khambun ki samla ki wan malaysia menta kat adu ba nakajing project jungi ya ka estimate kila nang bon sisu kina ki bawan district de na ki district kila bon ki bala ki ban kwa ban wan sini de let's say kani ka macam sedam ka let's say ni sa pek kumlo ban nang mo ban adjust sisu